3, 2, 1. Imagine you're driving your car and suddenly you see a spaceship about to blast off, like something out of a sci-fi movie. But hold on, I asked you to imagine, right? Well, what's really happening in space is even more mind-blowing. And guess what? You're probably curious to know all about these incredible things. Let's dive into the fascinating wonders of space. Hello everyone, welcome to Freaking Facts. Today, we're going to share some cool facts about space. Hit that subscribe button to keep up because we have so much to share. So, let's get started. Number 10. How much for the spacesuit? If you really love space and watching astronauts go to the moon and maybe dream about going to space yourself one day, get ready for a big surprise. Those amazing space trips cost a lot, like $150 million just for the backpack and control module. That's why NASA still uses spacesuits from way back in 1974. But here's something even more surprising in space that's worth way more than $150 million. Number 9. The Diamond Planet. No need to stress about splurging on a $150 million spacesuit because in space, it's not just about suits. There are planets that might be made of diamonds. Scientists from Yale University found this amazing rocky planet called 55 Cancri E. It's huge, twice the size of Earth and super heavy, 8 times heavier to be exact. They think its surface could be covered in graphite and diamond. And get this, it's not a far-off dream. It's only 40 light years away, and you can actually see it without a telescope in the Cancer constellation. Forget Hollywood. The real star is a diamond planet right in our cosmic neighborhood. Number 8. Fire in space. If you're thinking a single trip to space could turn you into a trillionaire, well, brace yourself for a cosmic surprise. Beyond the promise of wealth, picture encountering Olympus Mons, an enormous volcano on Mars that could still be active. It stands an impressive 600 kilometers wide and reaches a staggering 21 kilometers in height, making it the tallest peak on any planet. But wait, here's the twist. The asteroid Vesta steals the spotlight with its towering central peak, Rhea Silvia, towering even higher at 22 kilometers. Number 7. Who was the first woman in space? Everyone knows the first man who walked on the moon, but do you know about the first woman? Tell me in the comments. Her name is Valentina Tereshkova, and she's famous for breaking both historical and cosmic barriers. On June 16, 1963, she bravely soared into history and space on Vostok 6. For almost 3 exciting days, she went around the Earth a massive 48 times inside her space capsule, leaving her mark in the vastness of space. Valentina boldly went where no woman had gone before, pushing the limits of the sky and time itself. Number 6. The coldest place in the universe. While space is known for its extreme temperatures, with some areas scorching hot, there's a place that takes the title for the coldest spot in the universe. It's not on a distant planet or hidden in a far-off galaxy. Instead, it's right here in our cosmic backyard. The Boomerang Nebula, located a mere 5,000 light-years away, holds the record for the lowest temperature ever recorded in space. At a chilling 1 degree Kelvin, or minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit, it's even colder than the cosmic background radiation, making it a frigid marvel in the vastness of the cosmos. Number 5. No moon, no night. You know, some planets don't have any moons, and it's not because they forgot to invite them to the space party. Think about Mercury and Venus. They're like the rock stars of our solar system, cruising close to the sun. But here's the cool part. They can't have any moons hanging around them. Why? Well, blame it on the sun, the big boss of the cosmic scene. The sun is so powerful that its gravity is like a superhero, stopping these planets from having their own natural satellites. Number 4. Let's count stars. If you're up for an out-of-this-world counting challenge, try this. Start counting all the grains of sand on every beach and desert on Earth. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Well, here's the wild part. Even if you somehow counted all that sand, it wouldn't come close to the mind-blowing number of stars in the universe. Get ready for this space-sized fact. There are a whopping 70 sextillion stars out there. To put it simply, that's 70 followed by an insane 22 zeros. So, when you think about the vastness of space, just remember the stars totally outnumber the tiny grains of sand in our earthly playground by an enormous amount. Number 3. The shape of moon. You might think the moon looks perfectly round from your window, but here's a surprise. It's not. Instead of a neat sphere, the moon is shaped more like a lemon, with squished poles and bumps around its middle on both sides. This peculiar shape wasn't by chance. Scientists believe it happened during some serious interactions with Earth right after the moon first appeared in space. So, next time you gaze at the night sky and see what seems like a simple, round moon, remember, it's more like a quirky lunar lemon doing its thing up there. Number 2. Height increases in space. If you love learning about space, you've probably heard that people lose weight up there. But here's the surprising part. In space, you not only lose weight, but gain something unexpected. Here's how it works. Without gravity, the discs between your backbones stretch a bit, making you a tad taller. It's like a quick growth spurt in the weightless space environment. But when you come back to Earth, gravity pulls you back down, and that extra height disappears, like air leaving a balloon. Number 1. Universe is bigger than you think. The universe is incredibly vast, but guess what? What we can actually see is only a tiny 5% of the whole cosmic spectacle. Get ready for a mind-blowing fact. A massive 68% is this mysterious thing called dark energy, and another 27% is dark matter. Both of these things are total mysteries. Even the best telescopes can't find them. Can you believe it? Almost the entire universe, a whopping 95%, is hidden from our eyes, like the ultimate magic trick in space. So, that's all we have for this video. But there's a lot of interesting facts that are ready to be revealed. If you want to know more, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for our new freaking facts. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.